Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through IQIYI VIP premium plans. The first thing you need to do is know that the IQIYI premium plans are about 3 of them. Now the first one is a promo right now that's going on for 12 months and it costs $99.99 for 12 months. Ends November 24th. Second monthly subscription number one is $9.99 and the yearly subscription costs $99.99. Now you can watch on 4 devices. There's so many advantages that you can see here. So many advantages to it. You can see all the advantages on the screen right now. So these are all the things you're going to get from it. We also have the payment plan. We have the credit debit card, the Alipay, and the PayPal. So you can also set up your credit or debit card by entering the card, especially and CVV, and the coupon. So you can log in to see more, like or redeem your coupon by using that one. And then if you want to join, after agreeing, you can just click on join VIP. So that's it.